Okay, are you ready?
Are you tired of standard approach? Now I'm gonna offer you something special. Bah! Puppet show!
Did he say puppet show?
Yeah, why not? What better way to add a fresh breeze to your business? You know how your business trainings are normally snoozeville. Well, a puppet show could really wake up the audience. These fun, charming stories are told in such a delightful way, no one could resist smiling and feeling good.
You know, you might be onto something.
That's right, people. If you are looking for a snazzy corporate video that'll make you stand out from the crowd, or a memorable gift for that special someone in your life, you found your